First of all, we need to select the correct plug for the application, whether it's a standard plug for a bedside table light or a rough surface plug for like a lawnmower. Next, we need a selection of screwdrivers, a small Phillips, a small slotted, the correct fuse for the application, and a pair of cutters. After selecting which plug you require, it is now time to prepare the cable. You will now find on screen a wire cutting and stripping guide. This is to aid you in getting the wires the correct length. Next, prepare the plug. Firstly, remove the label, and then unscrew the securing screw. Put the securing screw safely to one side and remove the cover. Careful not to lose the pins. Then unscrew the screws for the cable grip. Then put that safely to one side also. Here's the wiring connections for the inside of the plug. Notice neutral is the blue BL bottom left, the live is the brown BR bottom right, and the earth wire goes to the top terminal. Time to wire the plug. Okay, that's neutral, terminal bottom left, securing the screw, next is the earth wire going to the top terminal. Finally, it's time for the live wire. It's easier to remove the fuse at this point and take the small fuse holder terminal out of the casing. Secure the terminal. Now relocate fuse holder terminal back into the housing and go around all screws one last time to make sure all terminals are tight. Now locate all wires into the wire passageways. Next, select the correct fuse for the device being supplied. Next, secure the cable grip. and finally re-secure the lid with a securing screw. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more in the future, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.